Good morning, classroom 11. It's Miss Amy. I've missed you guys so much, and I'm sure you guys have missed art. So we're going to do a very simple lesson that you can do from home with the supplies you already have, fingers crossed. So what we're going to be doing today is called Crayon Resistant Abstract Bubbles. Boop, 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 boop. Art class from home edition, lesson number 1. Crayon resistant abstract bubbles. Your scavenger hunt includes number 1, paper. Number 2, white crayon. You can also use a pastel, pencil, or chalk instead. It has to be white though. Number 3, watercolor paints. The alternative there is markers. Number 4, circular items and a ruler. You can use as many different circle items as you want, and any straight edge will work. All right, collect those items and join me at the yellow table. Remember, the only thing yellow at the yellow table is the table. Okay, I have my supplies right in my box. Circle items. Check. Watercolor paints. Check. Straight edge. Check. Paper. Check, check. More paper. And my crayons. And let's make sure there's a white in there. Ding, ding. I will be using oil pastels because I don't have regular crayons. Okay, the first few things that we're going to use is your white crayon, your straight edge, and a paper. Get it ready. Get your straight edge and you're going to trace multiple lines across your page with your white crayon. You want them to intersect other places on your page. They don't have to be perfect. It's just to start to make an interesting design. The next step is to get your circles and trace them. Make sure you're holding your objects very steady. You can do as many or as few circles as you want.
Last circle. Let's do it this way.
Okay, the next part of the lesson is to fill in these sections in different colors. You can barely see the sections on here, so each one has to be a different color. You don't want to have the same color touching in different sections. So I'll start right in the middle with a green. It's fine to use the same color again, just further away from it. Don't forget to rinse your brush between each color. Okay. Remember to get lots and lots of color and not so much water on your paintbrush for the color to be vibrant and bright. Choose another section. Your goal is to have all the sections filled in. Let the crayon be your border that separates each color. I like to keep all the colors close together and fill in the sections completely so that it looks really nice. That the only thing that's not going to have color is the border with the crayons. Go with I just had blue, and blue plus red equals purple. So I'm gonna mix my blue and my red over here, and it's starting to go purple. Cool, let's do a big one with this. Now, if you want to make a piece like this that lasts, I suggest using canvas paper or mixed media paper, because using regular paper like this, once it starts to dry, it's going to curl up a little bit because the water makes it do that. Remember to clean your brush between every color. Get it wet and wipe it on a paper towel to make sure it's actually clean. You just want to keep filling in the sections until your whole page is complete. This is a good time to practice mixing your colors. I just had yellow here. I'm going to go over to red and mix it. Yellow plus red makes orange. Remember to brush your color in the same direction over and over. Instead of doing this, it looks much better if you follow the same direction the whole time. So we just did the blue, and this is an opportunity to learn what blue plus yellow equals. Blue plus yellow equals green. Ooh, that's pretty close to the color next to it. I might want to change that. Let's cover it with purple. I will choose, not orange, I want to choose this purple, I think. Maybe make it a little bluer. Let's go here. Let's see, we could do it red right here again. I know you guys love red. Go. We'll do another red right here. And this one could use a little yellow. If you're using markers instead of paint, that's absolutely okay. And you're going to want to do multiple of the same colors, just remembering to put them very far away from each other so that it's more of a contrast. Here's the same color I have. I'm gonna do it right over here to make sure that they're not right next to each other, to give it more flair. Let's remember to practice the art of non-attachment. I got a little bit of blue in my pink section, but I'm okay with that. I can try to correct it as much as I can. I was able to wipe it away, mostly. But even if it doesn't come out perfect, it doesn't have to. We're just having fun, okay? Pink. And dark red. Add a smidge of purple. That looks a little too close to that other color. There we go. It is complete. We did it. Good job, guys. Woohoo! Look at the lovely, colorful mess we made. It's so bright and happy here. I hope you guys are doing amazing at home too. Well, class, that was an amazing lesson. I've missed you guys so much, so I'm happy we got to do some art together. I'm really proud of you. Please send me pictures of your creations, and I'll catch you on the next lesson. Bye-bye.